Photo Collage Maker apps help you take all your individual pictures and turn them into a story. This video shows 2 ways to create a quick and easy photo collage on a computer and mobile. On your browser, open bfunky.com. Scroll down and select Create a Collage. It opens the Collage Maker. First, choose a collage layout. You can always change the layout later during your design process. The cells are all empty to start. You can set the cell's background color, or fill it with a pattern. You can delete a cell if you don't want to use it. To resize an individual cell, drag either the horizontal or vertical border to stretch or shrink. Now, it's time to fill the cells with photos. Go to the Image Manager and upload the photos from your computer. Drag and drop the photos into the cells. Once your image is inside a cell, click it to open the image editor. You can make the photo larger. Drag the photo around inside the cell, and do other customizations according to your need. If you need to add a cell, just drag an image onto your collage, and release your cursor in between cells. In the Customize tab, use the spacing slider to increase the spacing between the cells. And use the corner rounding slider to soften the edges of your images. You can also resize the collage layout from here. Now go ahead and add some graphics and text to your collage design. All done with your collage design. Now, it's time to save it and share it with the world. There are a number of photo collage apps available for both Android and iOS devices. We are going to use the Photo Grid app. Open the app and select the grid option. Select the pictures you want to use for the collage. Then, choose a free layout from here. Like the previous method, you can change the layout, adjust the border spacing, change background color, add text, image, sticker, filter, and more. Once done, you can save the collage to your phone storage. So guys, this is how you can make a photo collage. Now instead of having to individually upload each photo, you can share groups of them at a time, with an artsy twist.